What's up guys, it's me again, Dandan, and I'm back with another video. And I'm with...
Ninja My Gaming Whitey.
So for today's video, magagawa tayo ng Ninja My Might ulit. Escape the Ninja Obby. So ngayon guys, training, something like that. Pero ayun nga no guys, simulan na natin to. Let's go! Yung ganun lang pala, walang transition eh, no? Walang editor eh. So yan yun. So yan nga no guys. And, uy, wag mo muna simula! Weapon me. Parang hindi ata to training ah. Parang mag-escape ata. Parang escape nga yung nasa title dito eh. Hindi naman training eh.
Look what I'm doing!
Ala! Oh my goodness, wait lang. Wag aalis. Papakita ko kung ano ginagawa mo.
I have
Ayun guys. Ayun.
training
Oh my gosh.
skills.
Ah! What?
Oh.
Ow! Mga kababalaghan na nangyayari. Tinan nyo si Ninja My Might 20. Oh my goodness. Wait from me.
You can just walk through that.
What? That's almost, dude. Oh my goodness. No, I get this shop button. Alam niyo guys, sorry kung nag-English ako ngayon, no? Kasi, Englishera. Namatay.
Ako din.
Karma. Oh, dito agad! Namatay din siya, guys. Ayun, hindi pa tayo nagsisimula eh. Sabi ko sa isang video ko, I'm a parkour master. Oh my goodness.
I'm really a parkour master.
Oh!
Wala.
That's almost. Oh, sana.
Let's race
Ayun,
to
dito,
the end.
guys.
Let's race.
Akala ko naman kung saan.
Let's race to the end.
Anong race? Sige. Ah! Namatay ako! Ano ba yan? Okay, sana hindi. Sana mahaba. Namatay ka din.
No, please revive. Yes.
Please revive ang puso. Okay. Focus. You died.
Okay, I don't want to race anymore.
I don't wanna race. Namatay ako kanina. You didn't wait me. Tapos sasabihin mo, you don't. Nagulat siya, guys.
Somebody, you push.
Okay, guys. Next
Somebody
time, meron
push
na
me.
akong itatawag sa inyo. Meron na tayong intro. Yung main intro na natin. Ow!
The voices.
Kakainis po ito, ano? I can't concentrate even though.
Ang flat ng intro ko.
Ang flat ng intro ko. Ano ba intro mo?
Yung Halloween.
Oh, tinan mo nga. Ikaw nga may intro eh. Ako wala. Ow! Basta video na lang ako. Oh, naglo-loading lang eh. Hindi ko pa rin sa game. Alam nyo guys, babalikan ko na lang kayo pagtapos na to. Let's go! Okay guys, so tinan nyo po itong picture na to. Ayaw kong gumalaw. Pero tinan nyo yan, nakakapit pa rin. So that's why gusto ko maging square ako. Na nandito na tayo. Bye-bye! Sabi mo, racing! So, mag-checkpoint na tayo. Dito tayo. Dito. Dali naman ako kausap pag hindi doon, hindi doon. Oh. Pag ayaw sa'yo. Pero na nga lang, daming panghugot. Walang nga. Saan tayo? Akala ko control ko. What? Baliw. Tara na. Nice.
Nasaan
Teleport lang tayo. Wala siya. I'm a parkour master. Parkour master. Ay, namatay ako.
I tried so many
Karma,
hobbies
guys.
except for this hobby.
Karma. Di ba ninja ka?
Ah! The tree was blocking my way to jump.
Puro ka kasi shortcut. Kung hindi ka nag-shortcut. Ouch! Ouch! It really hurts.
Mahal yung ganito.
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh.
Ninja.
No!
Ninja noob.
I'm still.
I need to be a true ninja.
Really?
I need to be a true ninja.
Alam mo, mag-aray ka.
Ninja hobby master.
Dalian mo habang namamatay pa ako na namamatay dito kasi di ako makaligpas. I'm doing my best, guys. Pero, ipopost ko na lang muna to para hindi naman humaba ang video. Let's go. Woo! So yun, guys, nakaapak na tayo sa chat.
Wait for me.
And tingin ko, pag pinopost talaga,
Wait for
nagagawa ko. Kanina, yung ginagawa ngayon ni Misha, na-post ko yung video. O, di ba? Nagawa ko.
This
Pero,
is
ayan.
so hard.
Next, hobby na tayo. Oh. Ah!
You're so cool.
Hindi ako parkour master, guys. Naka-Daniels ko.
Daniel
Da!
Miguel. Daniel
Oh my
Miguel.
goodness.
Dago.
Oh my goodness.
Seiko. Sausage.
Tara na nga lang.
I was
kabaliw.
almost.
Mga kabaliw! Mga kalaro na lang, ayan. What's up mga kalaro, ayan. Ngayon pa talaga nag-iisip no, habang naggagawa ng video, no. Loko-loko talaga. Woo! 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 Oh my goodness, there's so many. It's
Don't
nice.
scream like a boy.
Huh?
Yes, just don't scream like a boy.
Boys are not screaming, you know what I'm saying. Only gays. Oh my goodness, no, please.
Enter.
Oh, hi, King Fu. Kung Fu. What the heck is that? Bye-bye, I'm in ending. Step on the egg to drop it off the shelf. Then use the key card that you found inside and put it here. And it will open something leads to our secret facility. Sana po ikaw na lang gumawa. Sinabi mo lahat ng gusto na, lahat sinabi mo ng gusto.
I was almost there.
Shortcut ka kasi ng shortcut. Kaya mo pagpakaayos.
Hindi ako nag-shortcut.
Lumabas ka. Walang niya ako. Key card, buddy.
Yeah.
Boo! I'm in ending! Wait.
That's
Okay,
final.
it's not a...
That's a poop pipe. That is where they poop.
No, you suck.
See, it's round, so that's poop.
No, you're beginning obstacle.
So stupid.
No, it was not. Oh.
It's a secret.
I'm almost
It's
in
a
the
secret toilet.
end. You
That's
oh no.
There's so many noobs in that game. There's so many
Bacon.
bacon mods.
Ow! I'm still dying and I didn't step on the checkpoint. Ow. I'm just
I'm
wrong.
still dying and dying.
Sorry. We're done! I can't do it. Ako na nga. So, ayan guys, kahit racing to, tutulungan na natin to kasi hindi talaga marunong eh.
I don't know what hobby I'm
Tinan mo
doing.
tong screen na walang kwenta.
Broken screen, broken cellphone.
So, ayun guys. Balikan ko na lang muna kayo pag nagawa niyo na rin yung kanya.
My fans
Okay, guys,
were-
hindi
I
ko na
call
po
my
alam.
fans werewolf fans.
Werewolf? Ninja na lang sabihin mo. What's up?
Ninja
What's up,
werewolf.
ninjas gamer? What's up, ninja gamers? Ayan.
What's up, Ninja?
What's up, game of gamers? Lagi nang mamatay dyan.
That
Sa mga binawala punta naman. Pero joke lang. this? Special day. Ano ba yan? Okay guys, so para hindi na rin ulit mapahaba tong video na to, pabrikan ko na lang. So ayun guys, natapos na natin ng kabado talaga ako dun kasi kanina pa po talaga ako. Kung nagbibideo tayo 13 minutes na to. Pero ayun, checkpoint, let's go! Woo! Okay. Ooh!
Hello, Mr. Noob. Oh no, he's gonna poop on me.
Okay guys, so good. Sinakabahan ako, 50-50 tayo ngayon kasi tapos ka agad. This is a ladder, I'm gonna win. Ah, you died.
I have
Shit, yes.
been to settings.
No! No. What's up, gamers? Kasi lagi tayo namamatay. No! Yeah, I give you that name, right?
Ninja fan. Werewolf.
Ninja Gamers.
I want werewolf too.
Wait, talaga dito! Gagawa ko ng group, guys. Or wag na lang.
I'm gonna make a werewolf. A werewolf. Ninjas. Ninjas. I'm gonna make a ninja team anime.
Okay.
I just don't know what to do. I'm gonna put the characters, our Roblox characters.
Guys, gagawa tayo ng Kaso, the problem is so, magagawa na lang tayo ng mod at the same time. Pero, sorry doon guys. Ano ba yan? Ang ingay mo! And guys,
Is
yung
that pee on the ground?
ay,
That pee on the ground.
ano ba? Do your task! Do your task. Do your pregnant obstacle.
Obby.
Obstacle, that's not a obby. That's not a obby, that's just an obstacle. If you call it obby, it will have some parkour, so many parkours. I died! Okay guys, so ngayon, babalikan ko na lang kayo kasi ang tagal na po ng video. Let's go!
Walang hangin.
Nakahinga din guys. Alam nyo, ang tagal ko pong ginawa yan. Ano?
Saan po ako?
Baga ba kay Misha
Saan
kanina?
po ako po?
Ano daw?
Ta-
Then use the card to you find inside and put it. Ito ako na.
Ando po
Okay,
open
tara
up
na.
our secret door that lead us to our
Ah! Anyari? Anyari? Ah! Magja-jump ako doon. Nag-freeze ako doon. Nag-freeze yung fruit ako doon. Yes, yes, yes! Alam niyo naman guys,
Got the
parkour
secret.
master.
Nauntog.
Parkour master tayo. Eh, hindi tayo papatalo.
I have
Yeah.
fire on my butt.
Master! Diba?
I have fire on my foot.
Yeah, you're so stinky. Okay, this is ending. I'm sure. No, it's not. Come on, dude.
I wanted to swing all the way there. It's the faster way.
Okay, guys. I think this is the end, guys. Kasi kaka-teleport lang natin at wala tayo. Parkour master tayo. Ba't ba tayo namamatay? Kaya sabi ko sa inyo, gamers. What's up, gamers? Gamers! Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan?
Gamers!
Ano
I
ba
thought I
naman
have fire
yan?
on my butt
Wait.
again.
Ano naman gamers? Ay, na sound, diba?
Oof, gamers.
Gamers. Gamers. Ow, huwag ka nga sumigaw ng basta-basta. Ganyan po talaga siya. Ganyan po talaga siya. Guys. Sigaw na lang siya ng sigaw, tapos mimiya. Sayaw na ng sayaw.
Mia.
Ow! My God. So, titingnan natin. Ipi-face reveal ko na siya, guys. Ipi-face reveal ko na siya. I will give you guys the picture of him. Kasi nakapag-face reveal na siya. Check nyo na lang sa YouTube channel niya. DJ My Wari.
I
Guys,
will kill everyone.
Weh.
I will kill him.
Weh, di nga.
Oh, look at you.
Weh. Oo nga, sabi niya doon, I will kill who see my face. Tama ba? Okay, tara. Oh my goodness, this is so kabado. Ano daw?
Mado.
Kabado. 50-50, walang hit. Oh my goodness. Let's go. Ending na po to, guys. Hindi na pwedeng dito kasi napatagal na ng video. Wala pang edited. Hindi pa nga. Next time, guys, sa computer. Oh, hindi tayo nataya doon. Hindi din tayo nataya. Oh my goodness. You have done well, young warrior. Take the gold. Okay, guys, so I win. Hintayin na lang natin si Nisha para matapos. Ay, buset! Trap! Trap yung hayop na gold na yun. Trap! Na-trap ako. Oh my goodness, no. Please, God.
That's a trap.
Uy, ba't eto. Ayun. Ang dami pa pala! Buset! Kala ko naman ako. You let greed get the better of you. You must know. Ang pangit ng oven na yan. Hindi ka lang nanalo eh. Dalian mo, humabol ka. Kabado ako. Okay guys, so babalikan ko na lang kayo pagtapos na. Let's go. So yun guys, yun na lang para. So yun guys, that is just for now. And sige, tapusin na natin to. Nakakita ako ng way. Kasi dyan po ako ng punta dyan sa leads. Pero nakita ko to nung mag-outro na sana ako. And tatapusin na natin to, no? Okay, tara. Let's do this. Sana guys, ito na yung ending. Kasi tulad nga ng sinabi ni Mika, ang pangit naman kung hindi pa ito yung ending nito. Kasi sobrang, napapangitan na rin po kasi sobrang haba na ng video. Kung hindi po natin ito matatapos is hindi na po natin.
Nahulog din ako.
So ako na siguro yung panalo this time. And siguro pag hindi pa to finish is
The bridge.
siguro talagang hindi ko na talaga ito tatapusin. So babalikan ko na lang kayo guys pag nakapunta na tayo. Let's go. So ayun guys, ending na pala. Babalikan ko kayo pag ending na. Let's go. Woo! Okay guys, so ngayon natapos na natin yung dalawang obi. Itong may yellow na yan. And yung may mga pillars. Okay, so pag hindi pa to ending, tatapusin na natin yung video. Come on.
Ayoko.
Okay guys, so hindi pa rin po talaga siya. You have entered the mind of your
Laro na lang ako. Among Us.
Okay guys, so ngayon gusto ko na lang magbabay sa inyo kasi ang haba po talaga ng obi na to. Like,
Laro lang ako.
wait lang.
Among Us.
Mag-join ako sa'yo, magagawa ng video. So ngayon guys, pag-upload nito, punta kayo sa channel ni Misha kasi gagawa rin siya. So yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo every upload ko ng video. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Woo!